right? Sample rate and the resolution. So these are the critical things when you're thinking about A to D converters or D to A converters. Is how fast does it go? How often do we take the samples? And what is the resolution? So the sample rate dictates, as I mentioned, the highest frequency that we could detect. So when you go out and you, if you know anything about pro audio or CDs, you probably know the sample rate of the CD. Does anybody know it? Like if you get a compact disc. Nobody. Usually someone. What?
192 kilohertz.
192 kilohertz is not the sample rate of a CD, but it is of a DVD.
128.
128. 192 is a DVD.
320.
CD is like a regular CD from a music store is 44.1 kilohertz. So 44.1 kilohertz. So I think DVDs will use 192. Okay, so based on Nyquist, so this is a sample rate. This is the sample rate of our known signal, right? This is how fast the known signal is trying to detect the unknown signal. So, and this known signal needs to be two times greater than the unknown signal in frequency. So, if it's 2 times, then that means half of this, our unknown signal is half of this. So 22.05 kilohertz. So that's our best signal we can capture. And anybody know the range of human hearing?
Depends on how young you are.
Yeah, it depends on how old you are.
Like
Or
10,
20, maybe 20, if you're lucky.
like 10 decibels?
That's decibels is volume.
20
That's
kilohertz.
what the frequency. 20 kilohertz. I think you know, maybe it's
30 gigahertz.
like 20 hertz to 20 to 30 kilohertz, depending on how young you are, or I mean, maybe even.
30 kilohertz, you think? Maybe.
What? What do you?
Maybe at 30 kilohertz.
Maybe, yeah. If you're young, right? I don't know where I'm at right now. I know I was playing something the other day for Gary, and Gary was like, "I don't hear anything." He couldn't hear it, and it was very audible to me. And I know I've heard recently some students, they have cell phone ringtones that are very high frequency. I don't know if you guys have heard of these.
Yeah.
You've heard of it? Yeah. They're very high frequency ringtones. So you can have your ringer on and hear your phone ring, but your professors can't because they're too old. Because as you get older, your hearing, the high frequencies degrade and you can't hear higher frequencies. So, so maybe this is a pretty good choice for the frequency. But a lot of audio purists say it's not high enough. There's overtones that are much higher in the signal, and so what's happened is, you know, like DVDs, I think use like 192 kilohertz sample rate, so very high frequencies.